Precinct Omega, and this short video will show you how to prepare your Ballmonsters for the game. Whether your Ballmonster comes in a plastic baggie or a blister pack, it's going to look very much the same once it's out of the packaging. A Ballmonster and a base. Let's look at the base first because that's easy. You've got the hexagonal base and a flight stand. Flight stand has a small end and a large end. The large end goes into the flight stand and the small end is going to go into your ball, but not just yet. Let's put that to one side. Take a look at our ball. As you'll see immediately, it doesn't look particularly ball shaped yet because it has these two sticks on the bottom. Wanted to just explain where those come from. We cast our balls in two-part moulds, like this one. It splits apart, the resin goes into the top, we open up the mould and take out the finished ball. So when the balls come to you, they may well still have these residual sticks from where the resin went into the mould. You can get rid of these easily, either using a set of flat-sided clippers with the flat side against the miniature, or, if safe, with a hobby knife, and just cut them away. You'll also see that some of our balls still have a residual mould line. This is the line from within the mould where they were cast and where the mould was split. You can either get rid of the mould line with a file, or with some putty, or with the sharp side of a modelling knife. Once our ball is cleaned up, it's ready to go on its base. Now at the moment, the way the balls come, they won't sit on the base on their own. So we need some glue. And there are lots of choices of different glue you could use. Super glue is a popular one. I, however, prefer a different solution. Solution I recommend is this one. So EvoStick Impact. As you can see, this is a well-used tube. It's not quite as immediate in its effect as super glue, but it's a lot easier to use and it gives a bond that's just as strong. Apply a good amount of the glue to one side of the join you want to make. It's globby stuff, so make sure you put the lid on when you're finished. Then apply the two sides together, not too hard, to make sure you get about a half and half distribution of the glue on either side of the join. There. Now we've got to put those aside for a little while. At least 5 minutes and around 15 is how you want to leave these. So we come back to our ball and stand 15 minutes later. As you'll see, the glue has shrunk. Now we can press the two halves together and we get a strong permanent bond. Now just do pay attention and make sure that you align your ball with the flat front edge of the hex base so that you can use it properly in the game. And that's all there is to it. Ball is made.